Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ERR connection reset in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. You just need to right click on where internet connection you are using and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS server type 1001 and click on OK and just close stuff here. Send step, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy the command one by one and paste it. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here. Third step, go to search menu and type internet option. Click on open it. Go to connection tab and select LAN settings. Make sure to check mark automatically detect settings and uncheck use your proxy server for your LAN. After that, select OK option and select OK and just go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.